Good day everyone, welcome back to our discussion on the topic matrix. Today we'll be discussing multiplication of matrix. In our very first example, it states that if A is equals to 2, 3, 6, 4 and B is equals to 5, 7, 9, 11, find A, B. That is, we are multiplying B by A. Before we begin, it is important to note that when we multiply matrix, you can only do so if the number of rows in the first matrix is equal to the number of columns in the second matrix. Because when multiplying matrix, we are multiplying the rows by the column. What we do is that we multiply the first row in the first matrix by the first column in the second matrix, and we'll get our first element of our answer. And we'll repeat that is we multiply the first row by the second column, then we'll do for the second row and the first column, the second row and the second column in the case of 2 by 2. Now in this our example, to get AB to be equals to, we are going to be multiplying our first row by our first column, doing so to be 2 times 5 plus 3 times 9. So I'm going to be putting them in brackets so that it will be easy to calculate. And I'm multiplying our first row by our second column, which should be 2 times 7 in brackets plus 3 times 11 in brackets. Now multiplying our second row by our first column, it will be 6 times 5 in brackets plus 4 times 9. And multiplying our second row by our second column, rather, it will be 6 times 7 plus in brackets 4 times 11. And simplifying our brackets, it will be equals to 10 plus 27, 14 plus 33, 30 plus 36, and 42 plus 11. And adding them together, our answer of AB will be equals to 37, 47, 66, and 86. Our next example, also a 2 by 2 matrix, states that if S is equals to 1, 8, 0, 2 and Y is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, find SY. And as usual, multiplying our row by column, SY will be equals to 1 times 3 in brackets plus 8 times 5 in brackets. Our second element will be 1 times 4 in brackets plus 8 times 6 in brackets. Our next element will be 0 times 3 in brackets plus 2 times 5 in brackets. And our last element will be 0 times 4 in brackets plus 2 times 6 in bracket. Now simplifying our bracket, it will be equals to 3 plus 40, 4 plus 48, 0 plus 10, and 0 plus 12. Adding everything up together, it will be equals to 43, 52, 10, 12. We have another example from NECO that states that given that P is equals to matrix cos S minus sin S, and cos S, and Y is equals to matrix cos S, sin S minus sin S, cos S, find the matrix PY. So multiplying Y by P, it will be equals to, as usual, we are multiplying our rows by our column, so it will be cos S dot cos S in bracket, that's cos S times cos S, plus minus sin S dot minus sin S for our first element. Our second element will be cos S dot sin S in bracket plus cos S minus sin S in bracket. And our third element will be sin S dot cos S in bracket plus cos S dot minus sin S. And our last element will be sin S dot sin S in bracket plus cos S dot cos S. Opening up all our brackets, PY will be equals to cos square S plus sin square S. Our first element. Our second element will be cos S sin S minus cos S sin S. Our third element will be sin S cos S minus sin S cos S. And our fourth element will be sin square S plus cos square S. And from our knowledge of trigonometry, cos square S plus sin square S is equals to 1. So therefore our final answer will be equals to 1, 0, 0, 1. That's matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Our final example is from NECO, and it states that if A is equals to matrix 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 1, what is A cube? And our options given are A is 3A, B 6A, C 8A, D 9A, and E 10A. And we know that a cube is the same as a square times a, and a square is equals to a times a. So we'll first of all be looking for a square, that's a times a. Then we'll look for a cube by multiplying a square by a. So a square will be equals to our matrix A times our matrix A, which will be equals to multiplying our row by our column as usual. It will be equals to 4 plus 1 plus 4 for our first element. Our second element will be 2 plus 2 minus 4. Our third element will be 4 minus 2 minus 2. Our fourth element will be 2 plus 2 plus minus 4. The next element will be 1 plus 4 plus 4. The next will be 2 minus 4 plus 2. The next will be 4 minus 2 minus 2, 2 minus 4 plus 2, and 4 plus 4 plus 1. And adding them up, it will be equals to 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. That's we get the matrix 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9. So that's the value for a square. Now our next step is to multiply a square by a. So it should be equals to, as usual, multiplying our row by our column to be 18 plus 0 plus 0, 9 plus 0 plus 0 for our second element. The next element is 18 plus 0 plus 0. The next will be 0 plus 9 plus 0. The next will be 0 plus 18 plus 0. 0 minus 18 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 18, 0 plus 0 minus 18, and 0 plus 0 minus 9. And when we add it up, it gives us the matrix 18 9 18, 9 18 minus 18, 18 minus 18 minus 9. And if we divide this entire matrix by 9, or we remove 9 out, or we factorize by 9, whichever way you want to put it, it will be equals to 9. Then the matrix 2 1 2, 1 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 1, which, as you can see, is the same value as our matrix A. So this will be equals to 9A. Here are some exercises for you to try your hands on at home. And for more insight on this topic, you can check out our Hidden Facts Further Mathematics textbook. You can get the soft copy at the website at the bottom of your screen. Thank you.